Thursday, look at Thursday. Ain't even Thursday, I'm rocking her mix.
So, real quick, I want to explain something. I just got outside, started the car, and I hear a crazy rattle, like an engine rattle. This just sounds sick. So I get here, and I see as it's spinning, and I'm gonna show you in a second, this pulley right here, it's already worn, it's already very old, and I hear it, like I can see it moving, it's wiggling. So you can see it. Let's see if I can show you. See that wiggle? That's definitely not good. It's pushing the belt side to side. I'm pretty sure that's my main problem for the rattle, because the rattle stopped and then it will continue to stop and continue. Very crazy. But it's unfortunate. This is like a normal day. I just came in my car right now. I came out of work, jumped in the car, turned it on to warm it up, and I heard a crazy rattle. I never heard it before. And I'm about to let you see it. But this is the pulley itself. I just went to AutoZone and grabbed it. You know, it doesn't hurt. It's about $25 for this pulley itself, guys. So I'm pretty sure this right here is what's jammed somewhere in there, or vice versa, because it's a pulley. It's really simple. It's a screw in, screw out. It spins around the screw and it keeps it stable. So there's no change. A $25 piece. We're going right here. It's I think that's a simple 13. Looks like a 13. Yeah, 13. And then we gotta put the ratchet on the belt, take off the belt, change it, and we're good to go. Let me let you listen to it before we even go. Alright, you see it first. I don't want it to pop, so turn it off. Look. Crazy indeed, guys. Crazy indeed. That shit does not sound good. It wasn't sounding like that this morning when I drove it here. So it tells me that it has to be something in the exterior, not the interior. And like I said, if you feel this pulley, see, right now it's stiff, but it was just loose a little while ago. So I definitely think that's our problem. And doesn't hurt to replace. So let's see if that fixes the problem. All right, so again, that's the pulley, and then it's the other pulley, and pretty much it's a 15 millimeter bolt. There's no belt on it at the moment, and we're just gonna spin it out, guys. Sometimes car work is literally that easy. It's just that we have to change this to a nice new one, and that's our problem. And then the belt is kind of worn already. It's about a year-old belt. It has warranty on it from AutoZone, so more than likely I might be changing that again. Our main goal now is trying to make sure the screw doesn't fall. More than likely it's in the pulley. We're gonna hold the pulley and wait till the screw loosens. Not a 1, 2, 3 thing, but definitely something that I need to fix. That noise does not sound good. Bingo. Check it out. Oof. Oh yeah, this is beat up, bro. This one, look at this. The inside of this, man. Horrible right now. Yeah, I'll show you this. I don't know if you keep these bolts over. The washers right here. Wow, guys. There's something. This thing's falling out of it, right? That's the dirt. Pulling the inside doesn't even look the same. Show you the new one, the old one. That looks sick, insane. But oh yeah, look, it's all ripped, guys. Look, I didn't even notice this. But look. Oh man. Oh man, look at the whole inside. It's messed up. Yeah, the one side of it is actually ripped out. That's crazy. So yeah, definitely a necessity. Kind of lost right now with this black piece here. Can't go in. Can it? Well, it could go in. Oh, it does go in. Okay. Look, black piece goes in perfectly. So that's our goal. And then we're gonna put the other washer back on. Make sure the bolt doesn't come out. Great. So look, at this point, perfect, right? Completely different. Complete different. It's a completely different type of look. I don't know. I don't know what I was trying to say at the moment. Pulley's gone. All right. Now let's put it back in. So this one, slide it down. I'm gonna spin. Spin it on at least a little bit. It's like 4 o'clock, guys. Gotta work. It's actually 5 now. Yeah, spin it on a little bit. Now, ow. It hurt all over the place. Slide it in. Get busy, guys. It takes a little while to get in, but when it does, it's gonna look real good. Let me show you a better close up. So it's good to record at this point because it's one-handed, and this is gonna the pulley's gonna start moving in closer and closer, obviously, because it's supposed to guide that belt around. All right, let's get it all the way in. All right, guys, so right now we're done. As you can see, the pulley's over the belt exact. And what we gotta do is we gotta get this belt underneath the pulley when we pull the tensioner pulley. So you pull that back and then you push the wire under, and I'll show you the ending product in a second. All right, guys, so now you can see it's on. Let me get this. Moment of truth now. Let's find out if that was our main issue. But it's back on, and like we never did it. All right, hopefully my phone don't fall. Let's try to turn this back on. Wow, guys, you see. I think I still have an engine rattle, but that was definitely the source of the main problem. Doesn't even look like it's spinning, but it is, man. There you go, bro. Problem fixed. Sometimes it really is that simple, guys. $25 fix. Again, guys, this pulley was more than done. The extra seal popped out. It was all rusty. It looks like it's the original one. All right, yeah, it looks like that's the original. So that's the original one. Oh, you see the hole right through it? Broke off. That's what gave the rattle. But yeah, guys, this is the original one that lasted about 20 years because this car is, yeah, 20 years old. Sick.